Hello there, amazing learners. I am creating this series of classes to help you practice speaking English. Here is how it works. Each video in this series will be about a different topic. I will ask you questions, you should pause the video and answer the question. I will provide you with definitions and synonyms to help you make your answer great. If you want feedback about your answers, you can write them in the comments, I respond to all of them. Let's start our class. Today's topic is education. 1. How each of these types of education is important. Parents' education and teachers' education. 2. Does your country have a good education system? What are its strengths and weaknesses? 3. Which countries have the best schools and universities? 4. Do you enjoy learning new things? Give an example. 5. Have you ever considered becoming a teacher? Why yes/no? 6. Who has taught you a lot in your life? 7. Some people learn on their own. What things have you learned without teachers or formal education? 8. How do you feel about homework and tests? Are they necessary? Why yes/no? 9. Some people think that education in schools damages originality and creativity. What do you think about this? 10. Who is a great teacher? What characteristics great teachers should have? Write in the comments the teacher who changed your life and how. I hope you enjoyed the video and had a chance to practice speaking English. Make it a habit to do this every day. Subscribe to receive notifications when new videos are posted. If you have any questions or doubts, please post them in the comments section. If you want to take one-on-one classes with me, check out the link in the description box below the video. Share this videos with your friends who are learning English.